I was really pleased to be invited along today to this Civica Solace Innovation Summit because as a Council Chief Executive, it takes some real effort to carve out enough time to look outwards, to do some blue sky thinking, to look to the long term and to get together with colleagues to spark off each other. So this has been a great opportunity for that. Some of the key takeaways for today are things I'm going to be reflecting on for days and weeks. I'm going to be stealing some of these conversation topics and some of the great techniques that we went through today, having these conversations back at the ranch as well. Drawing so much creative thinking from like-minded people, both in Civica and in Solace and from other councils and other agencies as well. It's been really eye-opening as well. One of so many topics that we've discussed today that's really stimulated my thinking has been about the future of the workforce. So in 10 years' time, the people we employ, let alone the people that we work with and work for in our communities, they're going to be different. We're an organisation with a vision that's actually determined to change the world, because younger people, increasingly, they want to change the world. And for us to gather those skills into our workforce, we need to be able to match their expectations.